What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Guys, Chainsaw Man episode 11 just came out and I'm about to react to it. But before I start, make sure to subscribe to my channel because it helps me a lot and I would highly appreciate it. And now, without further ado, let's go. Let's get into this. Come on. I'm excited for this episode, guys. Like, I want to see if Aki's gonna take this devil under his contract, and I'm excited for this episode. I'm always excited when a new Chainsaw Man episode drops, so yeah. Whoa. Whoa. Oh. Straight to the point. Huh? Oh. Aki is asking the devil what he wants from you. Okay. Shitty attitude. This devil doesn't look like, doesn't look like a bad guy. Eh? What? Inside his left eye. What? What? He knows how Aki's gonna die? Damn! He's not interested. No. Yeah, he just wants the gun devil's head, and that's all. I guess Denji and Power, they just keep losing against Sensei. Whoa! So they're going after the girl that used the snake that killed Himeno, basically. Oh, so they basically have to get these guys. I mean, let's see how stronger you got, Denji. He's still focused on Makima, though. I wonder what devil Sensei has. Oh, he's getting attached to Denji in Power. Wow. Oh, so they know something. Yeah, Makima knew. That's why I'm asking myself, why didn't she do anything against them? Okay, if that's your intention, if your intention's Makima, then you're good to go. Liar. Okay. Ah, no. This is the Katana devil. Katana man. How? Why is everyone is fearing Makima? Is she really that strong? He is a manga character, though. Aki is a great character, guys. I really love him. Like, he is really an awesome dude. Huh? Wait, what? What is going on here? Oh, this girl. Huh? Wow. Wow. Yo. Makima isn't playing, guys. Yeah, just don't do anything stupid, old man. You have no chance against Makima. Their eyes? What? No way, Makima. Oh my god, guys. Makima is... Wow. Yo, Makima is crazy, guys. She is... Whoa. I want to know more about... Wait, did she just kill him? He touched her and she killed him instantly. She looks more like a villain than a hero. What the hell? Kobeni-chan! How are you, Kobeni? Long time no see. What's up? Oh, Aki's there too. Whoa. Okay. We are full packed. What's the plan? No plan. Just kick their asses. Wow. The entire special division. 𝚙𝚘𝚙𝚒𝚑𝚝 is his name. Okay. 𝚙𝚘𝚙𝚒𝚑. I remember this name. Who is this guy? Huh? Wait. Whoa! Whoa, he can swim inside any surface. Whoa. Is this guy also a fiend? The violence fiend. Okay. Shark, violence. Wait. Holy sh... The spider devil. Wow. Damn. Yo, guys, this episode's been fire. Whoa, who is this? No, don't tell me. Don't eat that. An angel? Angel devil. What? Angel devil. What? What? Wow. I like the angel devil the most out of all of them. And then probably the spider one, I don't know. But the angel devil looks dope. Yeah, I like it. I mean, him. Whoa. So you're basically not allowed to touch the angel devil? You ain't gonna defeat me with a gun. No. I got future sight Aki. Future sight Haki. How? Is this Makima? It's gotta be Makima. This is definitely Makima. I think I said Makima 10 times, but I don't give a damn. There you go. Our baddie's here. Oh my god, Makima, I love you so much. Oh yeah. Aki has to take out this snake girl because he has to get revenge for Himeno. I mean, to avenge Himeno. Come on, Aki. This time, you're not losing. But wow. This is Ghost, the power, Himeno's power. Why? The devil that Himeno had. Damn. Aki, you better not lose this fight. Come on. Damn. No. Aki, please don't lose. Come on. Nah, you ain't killing Aki here. Come on. No, fam. No. You can't kill Aki. No. What the hell? No fucking way, bro. You can't end the episode here. What the hell? No. Oh my god, this episode was so damn amazing, guys. Oh, is something at the end of the episode probably? Is there something? No, it's not. Yeah, dope episode, guys. I like that they went straight into action. I want to see Denji fight a little bit more. I hope that Lucky is dead. What am I talking about? I hope that Aki is not dead. Like, I just hope he didn't die here at the end of this episode. And I hope he gets to avenge Himeno after all. Regarding Denjin power, I want to see them more in action. I want to see if they really improved, because it looks like they've been really working hard with Sensei. His name was... Oh, damn. One more thing that I want to add. We got introduced to some new characters, like the Shark Fiend, the Angel Devil, the Spider Devil, I think there were two more. Like the one with the mask, the gas or something, I don't know. Fiend. Yeah, I kind of like all of their designs, but I think my favorite is the Angel Devil. Angel Devil, like, yeah. I mean, it sounds kind of funny, like Angel Devil, but yeah. Nevertheless, I'm just gonna wrap the things here, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, drop a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. And until next time, I'm out. Peace.